Welcome to our channel. Today, we are here to talk about the benefits of working with a financial coach. A financial coach is a crucial ally in securing your financial future and achieving your financial goals. With the support and guidance of a financial coach, you can gain a better understanding of your current financial situation, identify areas for improvement, and create a customized plan to achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to reduce debt, create a budget, or plan for retirement, a financial coach will help you achieve your goals and bring you peace of mind. The time is now to take control of your finances and start your journey toward financial security and stability. Don't let the confusion and stress of finances hold you back any longer. A financial coach is waiting to help you succeed. Our mission at iLearnFromCloud.com is to empower individuals and families to take control of their financial future through education, guidance, and support. Our financial coaching services are designed to help our clients understand their financial situation, set financial goals, and create a plan for achieving those goals. Our ultimate goal is to help our clients gain financial literacy, confidence, and control, so they can lead a financially secure and fulfilling life. We are dedicated to providing the highest quality financial coaching services to help our clients reach their financial goals, now and in the future. We love hearing from our viewers, so be sure to leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on it. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you on your road to financial independence.